What up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's a pleasure to have y'all back. I'm here for another live stream with my peoples, man. We trading today. US30 as usual. Today is July 18th, 2023. We about to get to the bag today. Come on now. This is an everyday thing, player. Every day. We do this every day. Except Wednesdays. We don't trade on Wednesdays. But every day. It's a pleasure to have y'all back. Hopefully y'all find some value from me trading live, me coming live and showing y'all, the full transparency, showing y'all everything, Hopefully you see some value in it. And if you do see some value, please leave a like and subscribe down below. Amen. I appreciate y'all for stopping by. Even if you don't find any value, at least you know what not to do. Anyway, please leave a like and subscribe down below. We're about to get into today. Today we have news at 8:30, which is core retail sales. Retail sales is projected to come out higher than last time, which means the economy is supposed to get better. Right, that in reality it might not be getting better, but it's supposed to be getting better, right? But that's neither here or there. We are here to trade the markets. Whatever it wants to do, that's what I'm with. Whether or not my edge plays out today, that is yet to be determined. I'm here just to show up to the market every day to see if my edge is there, see if there's a trade for me to place, etc., etc. So, news is at 8:30. Let me just put this up. News is at 8:30. Right now it's almost 8:15. It's about to get spicy. It's looking like it's about to enter into my zone already. So today might be a quick one. Probably either a quick loss or a quick win. That is yet to be determined. But it might be a quick one. As y'all know, well, most of y'all don't know, I'm from New York. In New York, they got the mangoes with the Tajin sauce. Oh God, y'all don't know about that. Ooh, woo! About to bust it down right now. Forgive me for busting it down in front of y'all. I brushed my teeth not too long ago. It's fucking up the flavor. Definitely fucking up the flavor. I could taste the mint. Still taste it. I brushed my teeth like 20 minutes ago. Still taste the flavor. Mango is good, my boy. Ben is good, man. The mangoes slap every day. I bought some mangoes over the weekend, and woo! I'm great. Glad that I bought them. But good morning, bro. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. If not, I hope it gets better, and I hope you end the day with a smash victory. To all those that are new to the channel, I'm going to drop my Telegram link in the chat box. Join up. Join up. It's for like-minded individuals who want to be around like-minded people who are looking to win and be successful in the markets. Like my friend Ben. This guy is committed to being better. And I hope to see you be successful one day, Ben. um, and you live in Israel, I want to come to Israel one day, but I got such a long bucket list. It's like of places I want to visit. It's crazy. My bucket list is ridiculous. Between me and my girlfriend, it's like 50 places we want to go to first. Add an alert. Cell zone. So anything below this zone, that's where I'm looking to start selling. Then if I get my confirmations, I'm in. Technically. We got 10 minutes left till 8:30. Looking for a nice pop. I can see a trend going right here. What happened to my camera? Oh, Raul. What's good, Raul? Welcome, my brother. Welcome. Good morning. Hopefully you are ready to make some money today, my guy. One, two, three. Three pushes. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Yesterday, oh, I forgot. I said I was gonna let y'all know how yesterday went. For whoever's like checking up on the channel to see, how that trade went yesterday. Yesterday I did get W. I get W yesterday. I told you I entered after that big wick candle. Went for the 1-to-1, standard 1-to-1. It got to the 1-to-2, but I don't look for 1-to-2s. 1-to-1s is a standard for me. But it got to the 1-to-2, and TP was hit. I'm happy. I mean, this is what I do every day. And I know I have a statistical edge in the market. I know my probabilities would have played out. I just let probabilities play out. Let him work himself out. Win or lose, it don't even matter. It's just letting the markets do its thing. But I did hit TP yesterday, and I'm happy to say I did hit TP. But if I lost, it would have been like, I wouldn't care. It doesn't fucking matter. I'm not about to cry about it. It's cool. Win or lose. Only thing that really matters to me, if I'm being honest, is flawlessly executing my strategy. If I can flawlessly execute my strategy with minimal human error, that's pretty much that's all that really matters to me, because I know I just have to let the probabilities play themselves out. I have a statistical edge in the market that over a period of trades I'll always be profitable. So over a period of 10 trades I'm usually profitable. Over a period of 10 trades, I'm not tripping. I just gotta make sure I execute flawlessly. I cannot have any mistakes being made on my execution, and if I do, then I'm throwing off the numbers. But if I continuously execute flawlessly, the numbers will play themselves out. It's a fact. Y'all see it. When are those? Y'all see it. I'm really fucking up these mangoes, no cap. My fault if I look like mad hungry on camera. Should play some music, but I don't want to get copyrighted. Thing is, every time I play music, they copyright me. Big bullshit. They always copyrighting me. But I get it, it's music. It's like somebody else's shit. But can't play no fucking music without them copyrighting me. To anybody watching this, the live, whether on YouTube.
When you're trading a 100K account,
go watch this YouTube. Go watch this YouTube podcast. This one, Abu Trades, truth about trading industry statistics, probability, mindset, etc. etc. Watch this shit. This shit, him speaking facts, bro. Speaking so much facts. When I say the things that I say, I might seem like I'm talking like I'm a know-it-all. I don't know it all. I don't know shit. But what I do know, and I do understand, is trading is definitely about numbers. It's all statistics, and it's a lot about probabilities. And if you can switch your mind's frame from thinking in whether it might or may not happen, which is like possibilities, if you could stop thinking about the possibility that this trade might play out and start looking at the probability that the trade might play out, trust me, you would see a big dramatic difference in your trading. Why would you see a difference? Because you would start to understand your edge. Like you would start to understand how your edge plays out in the market and what is the likelihood of your edge playing out. Like if you have a A plus strategy, your A plus strategies, let's call it an 80% strategy. When you have this A plus strategy, your hit rate, your win rate is at an 80%. You can be confident to place that trade in the market because you have an 80% chance of winning this trade with the A plus strategy. How would you know it's an A plus strategy? You would know it's an A plus strategy because you have done the back testing, you have gathered the data, you have done the analytical work, You have now quantified the data, and now you can look at the data from a analytical, statistical framework. Now you can see that, okay, boom, out of, let's say, 100 trades, like say 100 trades, and out of 100 trades, your A plus strategy probably showed up like 40 times, and out of the 40 times, you win. Let's say, I think it's like, I would say 35% of the time that would probably hit you at an 80%. Do the math if you want to. Correct me if it's wrong. But out of 35 trades and an A plus strategy, you win. Out of 40 trades and an A plus strategy, you win 35% of the time, which gives you an 80% hit rate. When you go to place that trade, or the market show you that A plus strategy again, why the fuck would you be scared? Why would you not just pull the trigger? You have an 80% chance of hitting. That's a really good chance of hitting this strategy. Like, hitting this trade. And if it don't work, it was a part of the 20%. And you know, like, all right, now out of 10 trades, 8 of them is gonna win if they're A plus, if they're an A plus setup. Out of 10 A plus setups, 8 is gonna win, 2 is gonna lose. So if you lose 2, the probability of you the rest of them being wins is high. Not saying you might not lose another one, or might not, like, say, not saying like out of the 10 trades now your shit might not go to like 90. Maybe you might not. Maybe you win like 9 trades, or maybe you win all of them, all the 10 trades, or maybe you lose 5 trades and win 5. But no, that's not the point. It's just out of a statistical database of like 100 trades, you have identified that this your win rate on that specific setup. So it might change, it might vary, but you have an idea that statistically speaking, you have an 80% chance of winning this trade. So it should take the emotions out of it, especially if you're waiting for your strategy. You're not just entering to the market. If you waiting for the edge to show up to present itself, you're not just jumping in, bro. It's revolutionary, bro. Check this podcast out. Anybody that watching my channel, check this fucking podcast out. This dude was spitting game like a motherfucker. Like, I learned a lot from him talking too. Although I knew some of the stuff, but obviously I don't know everything. I'm always willing to be teached, always willing to be learned something, and that's what people have to be like. Have to be open to. Be open to learning. Be open to being teachable. Be open to someone knowing something that you don't know. People be going about life like they know it all. You don't fucking know it all. Nobody's a know-it-all. Come on, stop being fucking ignorant. You don't know it all. Relax yourself. You can learn something from somebody else. Somebody else got something that you can possibly apply to your life. Like, come on, like, people be real ignorant, bro. But here, that's neither here or there. If you decide to take my advice, hey, that's good for you. But if you don't, and if you stick in this game long enough to see profitability and consistent profitability, what I'm saying is gonna make sense to you. Trust me. Because you literally can't get to profitability without understanding what I'm saying. Literally can't. You cannot get to profitability by accident. You can't. It can't, because you can't repeat something that's accident. You can't repeat an accident. You can't repeat something that you cannot, like, say this is, you do this, and you have the probability of this happening. Can't repeat it. You can't. It's unrepeatable. Like, you have to make sure, like, this is something you can repeat. You have done it over and over and over. You collected the data and you quantify the data. But if you don't know that stuff, you're really just playing. You're just gambling. Just honest. It's just gambling. Pretty much. Right now it's 8:30. I be chatting a lot, but I just try to provide as much game as possible, provide as much knowledge as possible, whether or not it's about to hit. Yeah, 8:30 is about to hit, but it didn't happen. It didn't. My entry signal hasn't happened yet, so I'm still not worried. But chatting a lot. My fault. If y'all don't like me talking a lot, hey, you're welcome to leave. You're welcome to not watch my channel. That's fine. You're welcome to not be a part of anything I'm part of. If you don't want to hear me, if you don't want to, whoa, join audio. Wow. I was on Zoom the whole time. Can't even hear myself. Zoom whole time. That's crazy. That's crazy though. Words of wisdom, keep it up. Words of wisdom. I'm not words of wisdom, but yeah. Listen, I be chatting. I know I be chatting. I'm sorry. I just want to provide value, bro. I'm not gonna start up a podcast tomorrow, so I just talk my shit right here, right now. So when I do start up my podcast, I can refer it back to the times that I was talking my shit. But she said words of wisdom. He or she, I'm sorry, I don't know gender. Don't want to, the world right now. I don't want to classify you as a gender. Yeah, my fault. But yeah. What else? I totally fucking forgot. Totally forgot what I was about to say. Oh, so I discovered something yesterday while doing crunching some numbers. I asked myself a question. So this what comes with also being analytical. You ask yourself questions. So I ask myself questions because I have a lot of data that I keep in like a journal, like a book that I just collect a whole bunch of. I have books filled up with just like data and like back testing entries and shit like that while I was trying to figure out my strategy and master it. Now that I got my strategy pinpoint, I'm just trying to extrapolate data to see, statistics to see, to understand my strategy even more. And I came to the realization, how long does it take for me to win a trade? And if I'm in a trade for X amount of time, oh, that just did that. I just did that. Hold on, I'm chat, but now it's time to turn it up. I just did that. So we got this big wick candle. Come on. I'll probably risk 5% on this one. Nah, it looks like a clean trade. I'll risk the 10%. Let me open up the stops. I don't want to just get whipped out. I'm gonna open up the stops. Every one of my entries usually are limit orders. Sell stops, buy stops, etc., etc. Okay, I opened up my my SL because I don't want to get prematurely wicked out. So let me go back. Let me show you exactly where I put my stop loss. If I get tapped in, like I wasn't tapped in yet, but I put my stop loss above this high. So entry right here, stop loss right here, take profit, TP1's right here. So we'll see. When I get in, then I'll mark TP1, etc., etc. But I haven't gotten in yet. Yeah, this is a good stop loss. So if I get tapped in, I'm comfortable with my stop loss there. If it takes me out right there, I know high probability chance that my trade wouldn't work after a while. Like it's gonna go in a whole different direction. But fuck, what was I saying just now? LOL. Oh, I realized from all the data that I've collected for my strategy that if I'm in a trade for longer than 1 hour, no matter if it's an A plus strategy, B plus strategy, C plus strategy, because I have an A plus setup, B plus setup, C plus setup, but it's the same strategy. It's just when it sets up, the criteria that makes it an A plus has to be there. It's like more than two confluences. I think like three confluences, and then B plus two, three, C plus three. Y'all get the point. But it's the same strategy. But I understand no matter the strategy, if I'm in a trade, well, when I get tapped into a trade and I'm in this trade longer than 1 hour, my statistical edge increases all the way to 88%. So now let me get this shit. The numbers, it might not seem crazy. It's like, oh, 88%. All right, cool. But when you understand where I'm coming from, so let me tell you what an A plus strategy looks like. Like the numbers for so an A plus strategy, like if I get it tapped into an A plus strategy, like this right here is an A plus strategy. An A plus setup. So an A plus setup results me 80.43%. A B plus strategy results me in at 80.29%. C plus strategy results in a 69.7%. Right? Now, no matter what, keep all of those numbers in mind. No matter which one of these strategies I enter, once it passes an hour of being in a trade, my statistical edge jumps to 88% no matter the strategy. That shit is crazy. No matter the strategy. 80%, 88%. That is fucking nuts. Now I'm putting on an alarm clock. From now on, if I get in a trade, I'm putting on an alarm clock for 1 hour. If I don't lose by 1 hour, I have an 88% chance, almost a 90% chance of winning this trade. Super, I really don't give a fuck after that. Like, once it past 1 hour, like, I'm done. I'm really, like, gone. It's like the chances of me winning the trade now jumps all the way to almost a 90% chance of winning. Those numbers you can only get from collecting the data and quantifying it and trying to extrapolate the statistics out of it. Not saying like, oh, now I need to get into a trade that only lasts an hour, because I don't know when it doesn't. I just get into the trade based on the setup. If the setup is there, I get into the fucking trade. But now I know if I'm over an hour in this trade, my statistical advantage, the edge that I have, increases all the way to 88%, no matter the setup. That's fucking nuts. I know most people don't think it's nuts. It's fucking nuts if you just think about it. If you just put an alarm clock on, well, if I just put an alarm clock on for 1 hour after entry, and the 1 hour passes, I have now a 90% chance of winning this trade. And this is data that I've collected over 8 months of back testing. So this is all the way from November to previous date, like to date now. So it's a lot of data, but don't think I've just done this once. I've done this many times. Like, I've seen my strategy over 1,000 times. I've executed my strategy over 1,000 times. So I know my strategy better than anybody know my strategy. Excuse me, sorry. You might know your strategy way better than I know your strategy. And that's perfectly fine. That's the whole point. You're supposed to know your shit better than me. Nobody can tell me about my strategy because I know my shit better than anybody on this world. Nobody know it better than me. Nobody. And I'm not taking talk from nobody. Nobody know my shit better than me. Because you have not executed my strategy more than I have. And that's a fact. I've seen my shit over 1,000 times. So I know statistically my advantages over the market or in the market. And that's what the point you kind of want to get to. You want to get to that point where you're like, listen, I'm not going to, you can be like, oh, US30 is going to fly. US30 is going to fly. It's going to go to 3,500. Just press buy. And you could be making millions of dollars every day. That's fine. I'm happy for you. But I am not fucking pressing buy. If my strategy does not line up with that analysis that you got in your head, I'm not getting in. I don't fucking care. I don't care. I don't. I literally don't fucking care. Cause it's not what I do. It's if I take your trade, I throw off all of my edge. I throw off the numbers in my books. And the numbers in my books are already winning. They're already profitable. So why would I change it based on your analysis? I trust my own analysis. I trust the way I trade. I'm going to do what I want to do because I know that my setup is according, like the way I trade is according to my setup. That's exactly what I want. Don't be out here just taking people's signals. That is dumb. Like, if you're taking their signals because you're learning from them, like, and you're trying to learn their strategy and you're seeing how they execute in the market in that same day, fine. But if you are just buy US30 now and you don't know why, you are an idiot. That is not how you trade. You're a fucking idiot. I'm sorry to tell you, you're dumb as fuck. Because that's not how you will trade, and that's not how you will learn. You will not be consistent. You will not get anywhere in this shit. You need to know how to do it for yourself. And then after a while, you'll see that whoever strategy that you're trying to learn, it becomes your own. Because you figure it out, you tweak it, you make it your own. Like, this person might be like, oh, enter right here. But you're like, nah, I feel more comfortable entering right here. Because you've made it your own. And that's the point. It's a part where you want to get. Because I've learned from a whole bunch of people. I've taken like 6 courses from big names in the industry. Rambo Raoul, Q-Banks, Ryan, I don't know his last name. Ryan, just let's go with Ryan. I've taken Genius Master Trading. If anybody know what that is, just YouTube it. Genius Master Trading course. His name is Raphael something. I've taken that course. I've taken Doyle Exchange courses. I think that's it. I think I took 5 or 6. I don't know who the 6 is. It's just not coming to mind. Oh, it's tapped in. Look, I'm tapped into the trade. You can see it live, man. I do this every fucking day. Anyway, this trade right here, statistically, have an 80% chance of winning. And if I'm in this trade for more than, let me put on my timer. You'll see it. I'm doing all this shit fucking live, bro. Not saying I don't win before an hour. That's definitely not true. Because I do win sometimes in 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Like, it happens. But I'm going to put on a timer. Can I put on a timer on the computer so y'all can see? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I don't think I've ever done it. You know what? It's 8:44 now. At 9:44, just keep that in mind. At 9:44, if I'm still in this trade, I have an 80% chance, 88% chance of winning. What's good, Bells? What's good?
I'm really like that. You heard?
I'm in the trade too. I'm in the shells. I
really like that.
I'm in these cells too, man.
Motherfuckers thought shit was sweet. That's gonna fall to the earth, boy.
I'm in these cells too, bro.
That's gonna fall to the bottom of the earth, honey.
I seen you post it, but you know, as usual, I can't take your trade until my shit's set up the way it's supposed to set up. I can't take that out.
I took my shit off of a supply at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, that's how you trade. That's how you trade.
Held that bitch. I said, well, now because my trading hours is 8 through 12, but then it started breaking structure on the lower time frame. I was like, okay, all right. Then we made a supply with a gap. That's high probability. Smack that shit. And held. And that moment, that news, I thought it was runs for me. I was like, damn, why? I was like, it makes sense because it's bullish. Then I realized, I'm like, yo, we too high. The projections in this area on the higher time frame is ridiculous. There's no way. But again, there's always a way. There's always a will.
There's always a
way. That motherfucker fell. I said, oh, Lord. And I saw US30 falling, and I saw GU falling. Man, look.
It might turn around. It just depends on what 9:30. If we can get this real massive fall before 9:30, we'll be in the clear. But if not, 9:30 can clip us up, no cap.
I'm in at the top, so whatever 9:30 do, it could do. But if that bitch ends up turning bullish for the day, I'll be pissed.
Yeah, 9:30 can clip us up.
There's no way NAS gonna. They can't, bro. There's no. NAS got to come back down. It's been too hot. They gotta come back, bro.
Yeah,
That's
well,
what we got.
Nas
That's
is
what
on
we
a
got
bull
resting on.
run. I wouldn't say has to. It's on a bull run. It's literally on a bull run, bro. It's on a bull run for weeks.
Yeah, but structure is horrible, bro. I need higher time frame structure to be validated. That's why I'm hoping this today, not even hoping, like this week, we can just keep falling, make some daily structure at least, some type of structure, lower the fucking higher, low bullshit, and then smack.
Where you headed to?
You said what?
Where you headed to?
I gotta pick up some shit from the post office, and then I'm about to fucking. I wanted to get breakfast, but I'm too fat. Damn, she fine.
You alive, my boy.
I don't know.
You know, make your girl come watch this.
Fuck, nah. I gotta pick up the shit from the post office, and then I got what's it called? Oh, I'm going to the gym. But I have to go stop by GNC to get some more supplements. I ran out of supplements today.
Mm.
But yeah, that's the move, bro. I'm holding these fucking NASDAQ. Damn, Nas, fucking, what the fuck are you doing? Don't come back up, bro. Come on. Stay right there. Let me move my stop loss to a reasonable area so I'm not losing.
Nah, I'm not moving my shit. If it hit, it hit. Fuck it.
My shit, well, I put my shit at the top of that spike that it made at 8:30. So it grabbed liquidity to the left, and then I'm expecting it to just have its fall from here. But I'll hit y'all. I'll probably be back at the crib in like 10, 20 minutes, so I'll be back on the live.
Do you think, buddy?
All right, G.
Mango go slap, man. Still in this trade. Let me see a minute. Probably in drawdown. Drawdown. Not crazy. Great entry. No human error. Just let the probabilities play out. If I lose, I lose. It is what it is. You gotta be a good loser too. In trading, in sports, it's called good sportsmanship. When you lose and you're not blacking out, you're not, oh, fuck these niggas, they don't deserve to win. Nah, you take a loss, take it to the chest, man. It is what it is. Yeah. Come on, Mango. I went to Pound Town on that Mango. No cap. I'm about to put that Mango on a t-shirt. No cap. Pound Town. Just left Pound Town. It's like one of the dumbest songs I've ever fucking heard in my life. I think I've heard dumber though. Yeah, I think I've heard dumber. For real. I think I've heard dumber. No. Dumbest song I've ever heard was Little Pump song Gucci Gang. He literally said Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang. The entire song. The entire song. That is the dumbest fucking song I've ever heard in my life. That is the equivalent to having one brain cell. You have to be the most retarded person to think that song is fire. No cap. But hey, I don't want to judge nobody. If you like the song, fuck it. I'm sorry. I'm gonna tell you you're dumb, but it's a pretty dumb song. What's the dumbest song y'all ever heard? Entertain me. I would like to hear this. What's the dumbest song? Dumbest. It don't matter. Rap, love song, whatever. It don't fucking matter. What's the dumbest song you ever heard? Ugh. It made a nice fat push to the downside. So it's now 8:52. It's almost 8:54. So I'm in this trade for about 10 minutes. You'll see. You'll see what I'm talking about. So if I'm in this trade for longer than 50 minutes, my statistical edge uh, my statistical edge jumps to an 85. If I'm in this trade longer than an hour, my statistical edge jumps to an 88.42. It's almost a 90% chance of winning. That's pretty high. That's pretty fucking high. That's pretty high, bro. I don't care what nobody says. If somebody tells me, hey, you can win $1 million, all you gotta do is this, but you have a 90% chance of winning if you do this, and a 10% chance of not winning if you do this, I'm gonna take my chances. I'm gonna take the risk. On God, I'm taking that risk. I'm taking that risk. 90? 90? Listen, if somebody tells me I got a 90% chance of winning $1 million if I do this for a set amount of time, I'm taking that chance. I'm taking the fucking risk. You bet I am. You fucking bet I am. Because my probabilities is so fucking high. 90? If they said 50-50, I'll probably still take it. It's $1 million. If they say 20, no, I might not take it. It'd be like, I'm probably not gonna win that shit. Fuck it. You have to keep it. You said bless you? Good looks, Ben. I fuck with you, bro. Gotta meet you in person one day. Sound like a good person. Not a lot of people that you come across that are, good people. For real. That's just my experience on life, but that might not be everybody's experience. But a lot of people are not. As long as I'm genuine and I'm always being myself, whether I'm accepted or not, I don't care. And you don't like me, okay, fuck off. I don't care. Go do something else. But genuinely good people are hard to find. We got people in the chat that's already hitting it. This is my group chat. Filled with like-minded individuals. Got 55 members right now. I had more. I had I think 80. But I did something. I was trying to fix the settings. Like something in the settings, right? I was trying to fix something in the settings so I can I forgot what I was trying to do. It's like 4 months ago now. Or 2 months ago now. I was trying to do something. to see if I can make the chat look better, or, you know, I don't know. And I ended up deleting like half the people in my chat. So I ended up dropping back down to 40. And I'm just now continuously building it back up. I have a friend, his name is Andre. He has a he has his own group chat with about 438, 36 members. It's dope. We got some haters in here. Look at them. This dude just hit on GJ almost 2K. Come on. What the hell is this? Bells caught the short. This is Bells. Bells was just on the live with us just now. He caught this short. No, what is this? AUD? I don't know. He trades a whole bunch of different shit. This Edward, I don't know what this is. Just GBP USD. I guess he caught a trade on it. Not sure what kind of trade he caught, but yeah, we work together on, just making ourselves better, man. Keeping like-minded individuals around you is very important, because they say you are the average of the 5 people you hang out with, or you, I don't know, talk to the most or whatever. Average of the 5 people. If you hang out with 5 crackheads every day, guess what? You're gonna be the 6th. Big ups Q Banks. For real. Big ups Q Banks for sure. He's the GOAT. Can't cap. He's the GOAT. Q's the GOAT. He has shown the possibilities that you can do in this industry. Like he just keeps getting bigger, so he just keeps showing what you can do, you know. Although I don't think a lot of people like him, but that could be hate. I don't particularly not like him. I think he's, as I said, the GOAT. And him showing his lifestyle, the cars, the boats, the watches, the Nah, for real, bro. Facts. As I told you guys, I did learn from QBanks. Well, I took his course, right? He helped me understand market trends. He uses the Fibonacci a lot. I don't use the Fibonacci. It's just one of those things that I didn't take. He is humble, very humble. Very humble. He is very humble. He is down to earth. But I don't want to get into like the industry beef, but I feel like the influencers at the top, they be having a whole bunch of beef. I really want to know what it's about. I don't know what it's about. Maybe everybody just wants to be the top dog. Nobody wants to be the bottom dog. Everybody wants to be at the top. So I get that. It's probably it's like a lot of masculine energy too, because it's a male dominated industry. So a lot of ego, maybe a lot of maybe wanted to be territorial about the niche, about the industry. I'm not sure. But it is what it is. I look up to these people still, even though they're beefing with each other. I don't care. It doesn't affect me. I don't care. Even though they are beefing with each other, I don't care. I want to learn. I want to get knowledge. I want to see what they're doing. How did they take it to the next level? Because these people are no longer just trading. They think you own unregulated brokers and making money from that. I mean, even if he is, so what? Fuck. What does him, okay? And sneak this him about it. Yeah, like so what? So what? He make money off of unregulated brokers? It's a fucking business. You're supposed to be able to make money off of different avenues in the business. Like people expect you to just trade. Oh, you're making money off of trading? Just trade. Don't do nothing else. Just trade. Like no, that's fucking retarded. Have different businesses. Why not have different businesses? What's good, Dre? It's good, my guy. This another person. This is the person I was just not talking about. Dre in his group chat. He has about 400 members in his group chat. I will call him a good friend. We try to keep, friendship alive, motivate each other.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, keeping like-minded individuals around you important. Hopefully, we could start a business in the future when everything goes well.
Okay, just gotta get these funds up. Put this shit somewhere else. Trading's easy money, simple money. I wouldn't say easy, simple money. But I feel like there could be simpler ways, passive ways of making money. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Make sure I ain't talking myself. I like shorts, but honestly, I think it's just too early. It's just kind of choppy. Like it looks like how yesterday looked before all the volume came in. Honestly.
Yeah, at 9:30.
Like I'm looking at 30. 30 looks more bearish though. It's just slow right now. Like even London didn't have no real move. If I would have caught a move during London again, I probably just would have got a 1-to-1 and then just would have came back up. So I ain't really missed much yet today.
You talking about NAS?
Yeah. 32, if anything, 30 had the better drop, but that happened at like 5, 6.
Yeah, I had like 6 at 6. That's pretty much when it started to fall.
Yeah, these markets are trash right now, bro.
Oh man, tell me about it. These fucking summer months, garbage.
Bro, shit, like I'm cool with taking one trade a week, but it's like, damn. I hope that one trade hit.
Nah, that's why I'm cool with just taking one trade a day if it shows.
Yeah, that's what I'm at right now. Like one trade, one risk trade. Like I'll break even and then take another trade. It's like one risk trade, one loss or one W. That's like the max for me now.
Yeah, I don't particularly want to stay around the charts all day. So,
Yeah, there's no point too. They have their time frames that you should be in and out.
That's it. I'm here from 8 to 11. After 11, I'm out. I'm not staying here no longer. But I was telling chat just now. Chat, I sound like a streamer. I was telling YouTube just now. I just discovered something crazy, bro.
What?
So my statistical advantage, right? I have A plus, B plus, and C plus strategies, right? Those range from 80 to 69% chance of winning from the A plus to the C plus. But if when I get into a trade and I'm in this trade longer than an hour, my statistical advantage jumps from whatever percent it was, whether it's A, B, or C, from 80 to, or it was 69, but to all the way to 88% chance of winning. I almost have a 90% chance of winning.
When you're in it longer than an hour?
Longer than an hour. If I'm in a trade longer than an hour, I have now almost a 90% chance of winning. That shit is crazy.
Not bad.
I got tapped into this trade at around 8:44. Let's just call it 8:40. Let's see.
8:40, so it's about 25, 30 minutes.
Yeah, let's see. By 9:40 or 9:44, if I haven't won already, the probabilities of me winning now jumps. Not saying the 20% doesn't or the 12% don't exist that I'm gonna lose. It's just less.
So.
Oh, yo, I was trying. Yo, watch this one. Watch this one. Watch this. This YouTube. Did you ever watch this one?
Nah, not with him.
Nah, watch this. This nigga's dropping knowledge, bro, about trading
Liquid
psychology.
death.
But trading statistics, using trading statistics and using the probabilities. Oh man, he's dropping gems, bro. I'm telling you.
And I was watching another one yesterday. It was with
I watched
Austin
it already.
Silver.
Yeah, I watched it.
It was Austin Silver. I forget. It was one thing he said, bro. He was like, the statistical advantages of certain things. He was just talking about how podcasts. He was like 90% of
My name's
podcasts
Alan from Palm Beach Gardens.
don't make a episode past number 3. And then I was like, wait a minute.
Yeah, that's you.
Number 3.
That's
and
you.
I was like, damn. And that just made me think. And he was also like, so just by
This
doing
him
more
right
than
here,
3.
right?
Yeah, and he was like, just by doing more than 3, you're already improving your chances of success from the majority. And I just kind of went to thought, and I was just like, I kind of want to find out all the statistics around trading and everything.
That's
like, I want to know.
Learn it.
Not
Learn
even
it.
me, but just in general. So say everybody. So what are the percentage of people that give up after this amount of time? What are the percentage of people that take this amount of losses in a row? The percentage that you're going to take this amount wins in a row. The percentage of if you do this is, you know what I'm saying? Like,
I mean,
it's just the basic statistics, nothing like personal.
I think the personal is probably more important because in reality, we have already surpassed those statistics about the people who stay in the longer or whatever. Like once you pass like 3 years of trading, you have now like a 50% chance of being successful. And the longer you stay in, the more chance of you being successful. So I think we already surpassed those statistics. We're in this for the long haul. We ain't in this for just quick money.
Yeah.
That's why it's like 90% because most of the people that come in, they're just here for quick money, and they know that it's not. They find out it's not quick money. They leave within the 6 months to a year time frame, and then they increase the statistics on that side. But I think learning your personal statistics about your own trading strategy,
Yeah, I'm saying like both.
That shit's flex, bro.
Like use one for the other.
That shit is flex. Learn your own. That shit flex, bro.
It takes time to learn your own. You can go. The other ones are already there. You just got to go figure out what they are. Let's see. NAS is still being slow. US30 is starting to roll over. I can see US30 going long, but I wouldn't want that 8 o'clock to be the low. You might want to see it come lower, but we'll see.
I'm in a bit of drawdown right now.
We still got 9:30. Like after that 8:30 move, I'm sitting here like, damn, was that the move for the day? And I was like, man, fuck it. We got 9:38. Yeah, we have 9:30.10. Because mind you, like I was looking at it before it retraced. Like when this was a full bearish candle, I'm like, damn, that shit dropping. Because I was looking at it like in comparison to like London to now, and I was like, it might just trend, huh? Nope, it ran the lows and it just started consolidating again. Bitch ass motherfucker. Yeah, and I don't even see no real gaps either. That's why I'm just like in a tricky situation. I like the way 30 looks, but if 30 does go long from here, then I missed the main opportunity for me. So that's cool.
I'll wait.
It's too early, like I said. So if that's the move, then I was just gonna catch it anyway.
You're still early. I'll wait.
Yeah, staying on the hour time frame is definitely less stressful. It's more stress-free. So much simpler.
That's the part about learning yourself. That's the part that's necessary. You gotta learn yourself. The thing is now, US30 has now entered the bullish market.
You said it has now entered?
Well, it's been in a bullish market since like last week, Tuesday.
I'm talking about like for the current condition, like today.
Yeah. Because yesterday's wick just made new highs. New highs for
the only thing that I would say though that's kind of tricky is if you look on the hour on 30, it's 100% bullish, but then again, it's only been 10 minutes, so it's like.
Now I'm talking about on the hourly time frame.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like right now, it does look bullish, but also look how much time we still have on that 1 hour candle. Like there's only been a 10 minutes of that candle, so it's like, damn, it can easily come back down type shit.
True, I'm in sales right now, so sales will be the preferable option here. But if it doesn't work, it is what it is.
I feel it. Yeah, I'm definitely thinking these indexes are going to be going for all-time highs within these next couple of months. I don't think we're going to be shorting anytime soon. I'm not really worried about it. I think we're more likely to go for these all-time highs and then short versus just shorting here.
Well, my shorts don't even last that long. It's not like I'm looking for the low. Niggas be looking for the moon, TP26. Like, nah,
Yeah.
that's not what I be looking for. Really, a quick 1-to-1. That's quick counter trend. But yeah, higher highs have been made just now. So I think it's just gonna keep bullish just going bullish for the year. Something has to fuck it up. Let's see what fucks it up. Bell's bitch ass was just down here.
You said Bells?
Yeah, it was just down here. He was just down in the chat. He was driving. He said he'd be back. Market's kind of dead right now. Yeah, it is kind of dead, bro. You gotta wait for that 9:30 open.
You gotta wait for that 9:30 open in the fall time. Okay. But even then, like 9:30 yesterday was hitting. Like anybody that was trading that 9:30 open would have been up yesterday on either pair, honestly. But I don't like to buy in or sell at 9:30 unless it's like I see something happening.
Nah,
I don't like to
buy
just
or
follow
sell. Nah, I like to like anything after 9:30, like 5 minutes after 9:30. It's game time. I could play. I could play ball after five. That 5 minutes.
Yeah, it just has its days. Like 9:30 likes to chop.
Yeah,
Like it's like what 8:30 did in a sense. A lot of the time we'll do that shit, fuck everyone up, and then goes right way.
Word.
So that makes me think 9:30 might just be one directional. If we already did all this liquidity sweeping, because NAS is just it ran both highs and lows. So we just got that London high, and then the 8 o'clock low. One of them is getting ran, or both of them. Could just end up ranging today, honestly, and then dropping the rest of the week. Who knows? Who knows?
We have nothing crazy this week. That's why I'm thinking it's probably like so slow.
I connected my account to my effects book so I can really get all the statistics. Because like since funding accounts are the only ones that really have those statistics, I wanted to have my own. So now I can see how many the percentage of longs I win, and the percentage of shorts, my best trades, worst trades, average loss, average win, my average trade like pip count. What else? Trade expectancy. So if I take a trade, what is the expectancy that I'm gonna make or lose? And I have my profit factor. So these are all things that I'll be able to watch. Average trade length, 3 hours, 1 minute. Crazy. Oh yeah, there goes 30 again. Doing his old flipperoonie.
I'm about to open up my FX books right now.
Yeah, it's good. All you gotta do is just log into the account.
No, I have one already. I'm about to go to it right now. I'm about to go to my portfolio. So this is when I was not doing what I was supposed to do. All of this area was me not doing what I was supposed to do. This
On
just
the same account or a different account?
now this is the same account. Same account. This all the way from October. So this is when I started when I had like decent sized money in there. And I was not doing this drop off was when I withdrew most of the money. But then you could see, oh shit, what was that? Oh, this their marketing shit. Where is it? I might start a whole new of my effects book and then come on, stop your bullshit. And then try.
Yeah, I was starting a new one just to get all that old data out of there.
Yeah, I want to get this old data out there because this is not what I'm doing now. This is technically what I'm doing now. All of this from like June. I think June is when I started again. As you can see, this consistent growth from this is not April, but just from June here. It's just consistent growth, consistent growth. That's what an equity curve is supposed to look like. So I'm about to start my shit over so I can make my shit look more presentable.
Ugh.
My account. Portfolio. Let's see. What's my best win? My best days. Best week 11%. Today 0%. This week 8%. I did 8% this week. Did I make 10 yesterday? That's crazy. Analyze portfolio. Start. What? I don't know what that
You
is.
trying to make a new one?
Now I'm trying to figure out how to find more of the data on this shit.
Go to the three buttons.
3 buttons? What that mean?
By systems.
This?
Yeah. You can only have 10 though, so you gotta like kind of pick and choose which ones you prioritize.
Alright, let me see. They don't show you like best days of winning, but you told me that
You have to set certain ones, like certain in those the categories. You gotta take some off to put some. Like they have average loss, average win, longs one, shorts one, long trades, average trade line.
pause, drawdown, maybe drawdown. Have that in there. On long trades, short trades. It's not that user friendly. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like FKMO, valid. Like you can get all
Yeah,
of
it's
these
just already
just
set
really
there
quick.
ready for us.
Yeah, it's already there. Very quick information. Nah, this shit type trash. I don't really use it. I just hooked it up a while ago just to see. I really do my own research now. Do my own back testing to get the data. Let's see home.
Yeah, I really guess it looks like it's trying to go bearish. I wonder if it's just gonna trend lower. But I don't really see anything that I would be willing to really try to capitalize personally. Not yet, at least.
They got somebody with Chef Gold's EA. He has been doing a fucking killing. All the way from November or August of 2022, all the way to date, current date. He took a nice drawdown though, 2% drawdown. But his equity curve has been consistently growing. That shit is sick. Love to see that. Might have to cop his EA, no cap. I want to figure out a way to make passive income.
Nah, real shit.
Like real passive shit. Like, I don't want to touch it at all.
This shit is so slow. I'm getting water. Jesus. Especially watching on hour. Man, it's slow when it's slow.
Facts. I have no idea how much is for this EA, bro. Don't know, bro. I'm just on my FX book. You can go on my FX book too and just it's here. It's just like recent systems, and then it shows you like the equity charts, the curve. You can just go on it. Yeah, that shit look dope. No cap. I might have to invest in him. Get that consistent profits. I mean, I make consistent profits too, but it's like I have to do it myself. I want an EA to do it. Damn, I don't like how it's setting up before 9:30. Do not like how it's setting up.
Such a tricky situation. The main thing I'm looking at 30. Here, if you want to share, let me share my screen. Let's buy some time. I need to do something. Give my little overlook of it.
Hold on. Share screen.
Big in the hand. Big in the hand.
It's in the securities. I'm just trying to see. Okay, I guess I gotta stop sharing my screen now. I'll go ahead.
Alright, so this is NAS. On 30, this is the way I'm looking at it on the hour. Ideally, I do want to see it go long just because everything's bullish. And the main reason that I'm bullish is because this 1 hour for value gap, this is probably the only gap that I see. And price is already kind of trading into it. This is the 50% of the whole daily range from yesterday. And then this is kind of setting up like this. The one thing that I wanted to see, I would have rather see us run this low at like 9:30, 10 o'clock to continue going higher. That's something I would rather have. That's what I'm saying. Like, if prices keeps pushing from here, I'll probably just end up just leaving the move. You get what I'm saying? Just because it made the low at 8, and that's just not really ideal for me.
But 8:30, but it made the low at 8:30, which is an economic time. So technically, you could have taken that trade. Technically.
Yeah, it's just, I don't know. Based off the past, it's just a lot of the time I don't trust anything before like 9, 10. Just because the chances of price coming back is just so high. Like, if I would have put my stop loss here, price can come back at 9:30, tap me out, and just keep going. That's why I'd rather just wait till 9, 10, like, then those 2 hours. But then if you look at NAS is just kind of in this range. It looks similar to 30, just like kind of smaller. But I don't really see anything for me to short off of, like, unless we run these highs or it just keeps trending lower. That's why I'm kind of just iffy on whether I'm going to have a trade or not. But only time will tell. Only time will tell. We got about 6 minutes till the open anyway. We gonna see. We gonna see what's up.
You gonna see what's up. Let's see. Right now, this shit's still kind of lagging. Break these highs. If we really break these highs, then I'm most likely getting clipped.
Which highs?
These small 5-minute highs, structure highs.
Let's see what these people on Twitter are posting this morning. Why do we sit ahead of news drivers? Consider how holiday shoppers influence the draft. They will rush out right before the stores open just to overspend on things they don't need to impress people they don't like. High impact news invites this effect in trading. Makes sense. Makes sense.
So what are they saying? What high impact news?
High impact news like brings people like in a sense like a Black Friday sale.
So they like try to buy.
Yeah, like to get them all in. Like in a sense, people may be thinking that 8 o'clock might be the low, for it to keep going lower to kind of trick them in a sense. You know what I'm saying? Like to bring them all in.
Who said
round
that?
the crowd. Yeah, ICT.
Yeah, that makes sense.
That was an hour ago too, so it was before the 8:30. So.
But that wasn't. It was high impact news. It was a red folder, but I didn't trade before the red folder. I trade after the red folder. I didn't get into the trade till 8:44.
Yeah, you can just see it kind of made a wick, especially on 30. No, NAS is way more prominent. It like ran both sides and literally did nothing after. At least 30 like had that erection for the most part. You know this John bro?
You said what?
Remember this, right? The TikTok of it looking at Cam.
Hold on.
The one that I post.
Mm-hmm.
What you call it? You know they're 19. Bro, when I realized that, it just made me more upset. I thought they was like fucking 25. I think they have a kid though too.
Yeah,
which is
she
crazy.
has a kid. She was going off. She was like, "Why would you show my things on the internet?" Because she has an OnlyFans page and she showed, she getting fucked on camera.
Like you did it to yourself.
Like you did it to yourself. She's like, "Oh, if I have a kid and I don't want him to see, you have it on OnlyFans."
I'm like, that defeats the purpose. And why you have it? Obviously, you want somebody to see it.
Why do you have it public? So anybody can see it. It doesn't matter if you're a kid.
The whole purpose of that is for literally people to see it.
Bruh. I was watching this other one. This fucking, I forgot who this nigga name is, but he was interviewing this OnlyFans girl, and she was like, "What happens when you have kids?" She's like, "They'll be all right." You want to bet? Watch the kids in school. Watch. They'll be like, "Yo, I'm watching your mom get her ass clapped last night, bro."
Bad John. They're better off with all that money making a private school,
Bro. Even in private school, you can get slapped at the most. You want to know why? Because all of them have money. So your mom's money doesn't impress them.
They don't buy it.
They don't care. Like, you can't buy them. Like, if you were in public school with broke kids and stuff like that, you can probably buy their loyalty because they don't all have money. But in private school, they all have money. They don't care. They're going to tell you your mom's a hoe. And I just watched her. I beat my meat to her last night. See?
Ultimate disrespect.
Ultimate, bro. You can't say nothing if I can show you your mom pussy live, bro. You going to have to fight me every day. I don't care.
It's a bad John.
It's a bad job, bro.
Who is it? Who is that? I think it was like, what's that bitch name? Fuck. It's that one. The one that went out with the guy from Logan Paul's podcast, Mike Malak. The one that he went out with.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
The one with the basketball player.
Uh-huh.
Good luck, because they've already seen it and they already regret it all. It's only been a couple years.
Good luck. Same thing with that shorty that dated Wiz Khalifa. God, what her name is? Amber Rose. Amber Rose. She was saying her son is getting bullied in school because they're talking about her mom seeing his mom ass, titties, everything live. But it's like, bitch, you did it to yourself. You did it to yourself. Like, now your kid is gonna suffer. He might kill himself because they showed him his pussy every day.
At least Kim has daughters, but like, if it was sons, no wait, does she have a son? I think she does.
Kim has a son.
Damn, that nigga gonna have a tough time.
But it's the same thing, bro. It doesn't matter, daughter or son. It's the same shit, bro.
Nah, I think it's gonna hurt the son more than the female. The female might fuck around and do it herself on some shit like fuck it.
Yeah, fuck it. My mom did. My mom did. Let me show my own pussy.
But the son, nah, he gonna feel it.
He gonna feel that. You gonna have to fight me.
Really
and ooh, that shit dropping. Come on, 930. Don't play well with me, 930. Come on now, do that thing.
Let's see what we gonna do here. We just gonna keep dropping.
Come on, 930. Pass this low. Oh wow,
It's
waking around. Crazy. Wow.
I want to see it run this low first, honestly. Like, I'm cool with long, so I want to see a low random.
Come on.
Like something. But if I don't get that, then bug it.
Look at the wick around. Jesus Christ. In profit, out of profit, in profit, out of profit.
NAS dropped. Crazy.
Oh, so we might get a drop on US30.
Possibly.
Oh yeah, we got it. Let's go. We're in money. We're in oh shit! We in
that
business.
Shit going.
We in business, baby. Let's go.
Telling you that 930.
Let's go. Come on, y'all see this live on YouTube. I do this every day. If this shit turn around now, I'll be assed out.
Damn, bro, it's
That
so
shit
up and
really
down.
turned around.
Bro,
No
what
cap.
am I watching? Like, I'm
Bro,
watching the whole candles flip.
bro, look at this shit. Still flipping. Wow,
Bro,
bro.
nah, I don't even
That's
know. I want longs
crazy.
on NAS, but at the same time, it's like such a tricky situation.
Not gonna cap, you might be good. Shit. This shit turned all the way around. That's crazy. You might be good by going longs on that. You might be good.
I might take longs with this at this low getting ran.
Wow.
654 stop loss around there.
Wow, 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 wow. Back in that.
Yeah, I'm thinking I might
Wow.
take longs.
Wow.
It went all the way back up.
Wow, yeah. Wow.
Bro, 930 be on some shit.
Wow.
Say the least.
Damn. Statistically, if I'm still in this trade after 9:45, I should be winning this trade. But it don't look like that now. It don't look like that. I got 15 minutes left, y'all. Pray for me. Sheesh.
Yeah, NASA's falling now, which is crazy. Interestingly,
US30 is bubbling. It's popping, bro. Which is interesting. Very interesting. Wow. Wow. Look at US30 go. Wow.
It's crazy because NASA's doing the opposite.
But US30 is just wicking. It's just a big wick in both directions. It's like, wow.
Shit, I wish I had that. This shit about to stop my ass out. RIP scheme. Yeah, 30 would have been the one, but even 30 was so volatile.
30 is the one, bro. I'm not gonna cap. 30 was the one. Damn.
Yeah. Might be a quick day for me. NASA, I don't know if NASA's gonna come back up right now, at least. It's probably gonna stop me out first. You win some, you lose some.
Damn.
Yeah, that should drop. NAS is gone. Might just trend lower, honestly. I don't really have much. I don't really know if I'm gonna get a crazy setup or anything.
Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out.
Bro, we on the same page, opposite.
Look at that.
trees.
Look at that.
Just crazy.
I'm fried. Look at that shit. Look at US30. Fried. Usually
Yeah,
when I
that's
lose trades is within the first 30 minutes. The first
Is it
30 minutes
within
of
it?
being in the trade. Yeah. Usually it's still within the first 30 minutes. No, within the first hour, my fault. It's within the first hour.
Yeah, this one's probably gonna be out for me too.
It's an L.
It is what it is.
It's L on both sides. Today's
Both
crazy.
sides.
Wow.
Yeah. Tough cooks. Tough cooks today.
What is that? What are you ringing for? What alert did I put there? Look at that. Stop loss about to get slapped. Jeez.
Same here, brother.
Stopped out.
Stopped out. That's crazy.
Stopped out.
Bro, it's crazy how we're both on the opposite side. And it still didn't play out.
Stopped out, bro. That's fucking crazy. Wow.
Crazy.
Wow.
That was fun.
I'm gonna take that L. I'm gonna chalk it up. I'm gonna take that L. How they took us both out on both sides? That's crazy, bro. Now I'm telling you, US30 was the one. You just caught NAS. You should have caught US30.
Yeah,
US30
US30 did exactly what I wanted to. Remember,
US30. You remember we just not talking about it. I'm like, you remember it just went to 50%.
I just didn't like the way it looked. Though. It was just so too much up and down. Like my stop loss could have got hit in a matter of seconds.
Nah, bro. I said 50%. You went. You go put your charts back up. I'm gonna stop sharing.
Like, look at this. This is exactly what I wanted. It was just a matter of, in the moment, I I didn't like.
You remember you said you wanted to run the lows. It did that. 930. You said you wanted around that 930. It did that.
It was just too volatile.
50% of the gap. It did that, bro. That shit is perfect.
It was doing this whole move of 37 points in literally 1 second.
Bro, that shit is perfect. That shit took me out crazy.
And look at NAS. What I wanted on NAS is what happened on 30, unfortunately. Like, same move. Like, look, if I wanted to run this low at 930 to go higher.
Make Million say he down 2% the week. Bro, it's okay. Listen, don't be sad. It's okay.
It's my first trade that wasn't break even this week.
You gotta be a good loser, bro. Be a good loser. The only way to be a good loser is just to accept. Accept that you lost and learn from it. What could you have done better? What, you know?
Yeah, they're doing opposites right now.
They doing complete opposite. That is crazy. Like, I got nothing to say. Today was the day. It took me out in like 5 minutes. So I was in here 44, 2, 3, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So 50 minutes. Not even 50 minutes, like 45 minutes it took me out. Yep. That sounds about right, statistically speaking. Sounds about right.
Damn, bro, they're really doing complete, like, they're still pushing more and more in their same directions, down and low.
You know what I noticed, bro? What, as far as like risk management. So like, say you want to risk 1% per trade, right? And say you risk 1% per trade on the last 2 trades, and now you up. Let's say you was trading on the 100K account. Now you're up 2K. If you risk another 1%, it's no longer 1%. It's like 1.2. In reality, it's like 1.2. It's like risking $1,200 now. It's no longer just 1,000. You're risking 1,200. So now I think I have to understand that and change the risk like accordingly. Because yesterday I risked 10% and I made $42. But not understanding that $42 additional put additional risk to that 10%. So if I risk like 9.8% today, it would have been the same thing as $42 as yesterday. Yeah. If that makes any sense. Man, US30 was the one today, bro.
No, yeah, that was a nice move. It was just a matter of in the moment, it was just too much. I didn't want to risk getting taken out in 3 seconds. So I went with NAS, thinking it would have been slower, but NAS just the opposite. NAS didn't have the fair value gap, though. That's the one thing. That fair value gap is what held on US30.
Wow. It's tragic. I can't believe it happened that fast. If I took the same trade on NAS, you know, it's crazy. It would have won. It would have hit. Same trade on NAS, it would have hit. Same trade on NAS.
For me. Literally.
Yeah, it's literally the same opposite. Like, if I took the same trade on NAS, it would have hit. The same trade you would have took on US30, it would have hit.
Would have hit.
It is what it is.
It's very unfortunate.
Very unfortunate.
Indexes be playing with people.
My strategy works for all of the indexes, but it doesn't work for currency pairs. Damn, look at this shit take off. I took NAS. You took NAS sells? Nice.
Good shit.
Now you're gonna cap. There's no reason for me to be here. About to leave. About to dip. Yo, thanks for watching my stream, y'all. I fuck with y'all. Come back on Thursday. I'll be back. I don't trade on Wednesdays. I'm holla at y'all.
All right, buddy.
All right, bro.